Hello students, welcome to this session. Today we are going to study endocrine system. So what is exocrine gland? So there are two types of glands. So exocrine gland, the gland which releases their secretions into the duct, they are called as exocrine glands. Example, pancreatic gland or gastric glands. Then endocrine gland, the gland which releases their secretion called hormone into the blood directly without duct, they are called as ductless glands. So they are called as endocrine glands, and the hormone is a secretion of endocrine glands. The hormones, they are secreted in small amount, released directly into the blood, and then carried to the target organ through the blood, and they are specific in action. So first is the pituitary gland. So pituitary gland is located in the brain on the floor of the cranium. It lies in the sphenoid bone of the skull, and it is called as master endocrine gland because it controls all other glands by its secretions. Then there are two parts of the pituitary gland, that is anterior pituitary gland and posterior pituitary gland. So anterior is called as adenohypophysis and posterior is called as neurohypophysis because it secretes neurosecretory hormones. Now we will see hormones secreted by pituitary gland. So first is the anterior pituitary gland. So it secretes the hormone thyrotropin, which acts on a thyroid gland. ACTH, that is adrenocorticotropic hormone, it acts on an adrenal gland. It is present above the renal gland. It is also called as suprarenal gland. Then other hormones for the ovaries and testes are gonadotropins, then FSH, LH, prolactin, then growth hormone, then somatotropin, which promotes the growth of the whole body. Then posterior pituitary gland secretes two hormones, mainly ADH, that is antidiuretic hormone, also called as vasopressin. It is mainly required for the water reabsorption by acting on the kidney. And second is the oxytocin, which allows uterus contraction in a labor. Now next gland, important gland, is the thyroid gland. So it is present in the neck just below the larynx or Adam's apple in the males, and it consists of two lobes on either side of the trachea. The hormones secreted by thyroid gland, they are T3 and T4. T4 is also called as thyroxine, and the main function of the hormone secreted by thyroid gland, T3, T4, to control body metabolism energy released in the mitochondria, and it influences the growth and central nervous system growth mainly in the newborn babies. I hope this session you will find useful. Thank you.